there, sunshine. I am so excited to share my new discovery with you all, and I do have a little bit of a backstory that I wanted to share with you before we get into this because... Hey there, sunshine. I am so excited to share my new discovery with you all. I do have a little bit of a backstory before we get into this haul. I'm sorry, I just love to talk to you all. But I'm just somebody who always feels really, really comfortable. Like, it's always what I gravitate to in black graphic tee, leggings or jeans, and sneakers. If you look at my Instagram, basically that's like the basics of all of my outfits. So I was looking to expand my closet because I literally, all I have is black, and I was like, oh, maybe I could add a little bit of color in there, which I ended up not doing. As you will see in this haul, all of my t-shirts are black. But I was like, okay, maybe now it's time to maybe get some new graphic shirts, you know, treat myself a little bit. So I went on Fashion Nova and I went on Forever 21, and I found that both of these sites did not offer me what I wanted. They both just gave me like cropped graphic tees, and that's not what I'm here for. I want like an edgy graphic tee that's a little bit offensive or a little bit edgy, because I feel like I can display my personality the best on graphic tees. You know, like quotes that I like, or like pictures, you know, stuff that I find that blends with my personality is what I like displaying on my shirts. So I did a little bit of research once I found that Fashion Nova and Forever 21 weren't giving me what I wanted. And I found a site called $6 Tees. Now, I've never heard anything about this site before. I've never heard any reviews. I've never seen any ads of them before. So I was a little worried that they were going to be sketchy. And I can definitely say that I got my product, didn't have any problems. So for my first experience with them, I wouldn't say that they're not sketchy. They're not very sketchy. They're not sketchy at all. I went on there and I was like, okay, let me try out a few things, and I ended up placing an order, which you will see in a couple minutes. I have a try-on haul for you all, and I want to say, just as a little side note, that I ordered all of my shirts in men's. I find that with my bigger bust and my longer torso, women's shirts never fit me. Literally, if I have the choice, I will go with men's sweatshirts and men's sweatpants and men's t-shirts, just because everything fits me, is long enough. Like, these t-shirts are long enough to like cover my butt. Like, I'm 5'8", so I have a longer torso, and all of these shirts are long enough for me to like wear kind of see-through leggings and not worry about anybody seeing anything I don't want them seeing. So I'm really happy with the comfortable fit of all of these t-shirts. All of them are long enough. All of them are kind of loose. Like, I have a little bit of arm stretch and nothing is too tight across my bust or on my waist or on my hips. So I'm really happy with everything. All of the sizes that I ordered are in a size men's extra large because I was looking for extra length. But if I wasn't looking for the extra length, I would have been very comfortable in a size men's large. I'm a 16, 18 is where my sizing fits, if that gives you any help to where to figure out your sizing. But all of these t-shirts were $6 a piece. They have a sale, I don't know if it's a sale, I don't know if it's something they do all the time, but they have a little promotional offer going on their site where you can get 10 t-shirts for $50, which I think is really great. That's like 10 t-shirts, but they have a crazy crap ton of designs. Like, I was able to find a lot of things that I really liked on there, so I'm sure you'll have just as much fun as I did shopping around for new graphic tees to add to your closet. I would love to hear if you guys try it out or if you've ever had any experience with them down below in the comment section. Now let's get into the haul. So this first top spoke to my soul so deeply. I have never understood the point of decaf coffee. If I'm drinking coffee, I want to get a caffeine high off of it. So I saw this, I was like, yes! And I have to admit that somebody with a larger bust, I have a hard time finding shirts that I don't want to exaggerate my bust, but I also don't want these shirts to look super like weird, like they were misprinted because of my bust, and these shirts just fit me perfectly. Also, does anybody know what this logo is from? Because it's from my favorite movie, Silence of the Lambs. I love that movie. Best movie ever made. So when I saw this, I was like, heck yeah, I gotta get my hands on that because my favorite movie. This top I thought was kind of sassy, but as I was saying, like, if you look right here, you guys can see that the enough kind of, it stays straight. It's in a straight line. It's not curving around my bust. Everything, it fits really, really well on my larger body. So I want to applaud them for that. I really didn't have high hopes for these because they were cheaper shirts, but heck yeah, way to go, $6 tees. Thank you for making something that actually looks good on me. And I thought this one was really cool because, hey, here's the color that I have going into my wardrobe. I have no idea if this is like movies or video games or whatever. I just liked the werewolf, I guess is what this is. I just really like the pink to yellow ombre like that. That's what I have going. And as you can see, none of these shirts are see-through. I'm wearing a white bra underneath, and none of these shirts are see-through. You can't see anything under these. This one I thought was really cool. It kind of reminded me of this movie that I can't remember the title of, but honestly, like, I think this would be really cool to pair under a leather jacket. Like, that's kind of why I bought this one, is like, I was like, oh my god, that would be super edgy to pair under a leather jacket. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video.